Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how to approach and practice for AFO prelims reasoning section and also the full details of the syllabus of that. Reasoning is one of the most important sections in IBBS AFO exam which tests the reasoning skills of the candidates through various kinds of topics. Reasoning majorly is a combo of logic and aptitude. Logic is a particular way of thinking based on reasoning and good judgment and understanding. So, we just need to sharpen our ability of judgment through practice. Here, the strategy for AFO prelims reasoning section is simple. First thing is clearly go through the topics and basics. Second is practicing. If we practice much enough in reasoning section, it will be helpful in clearing the overall cutoff easily. To start, we need to know the syllabus so that we should know on what parameters we need to work and enhance our abilities. So as per the pattern, there will be 50 questions for 50 marks and time duration is 40 minutes. The last 4-year exam analysis of IBBS SO papers. So as per the papers, what are the topics we can expect? The topics are Bussells and seating arrangement, syllogism, blood relation, machine input output, direction sense, inequality, data sufficiency, logical reasoning, number based order and ranking, then coding decoding, alphabet based, then miscellaneous. So from these topics we can expect the 50 questions. Now we will see how many questions from each of the topic we can expect. From Bussells and seating arrangement, we can expect 5 questions. That means 5 Bussells. So 25 marks. From syllogism, machine input output, inequality, coding decoding, we can expect 5 questions from each of these topics. Then direction based and blood relation based Bussells, we can expect 3 questions or 5 questions. From data sufficiency, logical reasoning, number based order and ranking, alphabet based, and from miscellaneous, we can expect 1 mark each or 3 mark each of the topic. Now let's see the order in which we can follow or we can practice the reasoning section. So first we have to solve the Bussells. In Bussells section we have 5 patterns. So the patterns are seating arrangement from circular or square based, then linear arrangement, then floor based arrangement, then box Bussell, and at last days and month or direction based Bussells. So out of those 5 Bussells we can expect 3 tricky or 3 easiest Bussell, 2 moderate questions. Sometimes there will be 4 easier and 1 moderate Bussell, or sometimes 5 Bussells will be easiest. So while we solving the Bussells, always start with 2 possibilities. It may help in tricky Bussells. If we stuck in one possibility, another one might be solved. So pick out the points and coordinate them accordingly. So whenever start the reasoning section, first start with Bussells. It will help in time management. Then second go for syllogisms. In syllogism, we can expect 5 questions in which 3 from old syllogism model or 3 from only a few or only few model and 2 from old syllogism as per the last 1 year IBBS prelims pattern. Then next we can go for coding inequality and coding decoding Bussells. These 2 are the most important and easiest questions in reasoning section for scoring. So within 7 or 10 minutes we can attempt 10 questions and score 10 marks. In coding inequality, we need to read the codes and retain them, analyze which of the conclusions follows accordingly. In coding decoding, we have to break the coding pattern and find out the codes accordingly to the questions. Then in fourth, we can go for mission input output. Hope we need to recognize the pattern, likewise solve the arrangement given in the question. So in a way, it takes more time comparatively as you first need to solve the pattern given and then solve the one given in the question. So if you solved all the 5 marks puzzles, then at last you can go for mission input output. Then next we can go for blood relation and direction based puzzles. Questions may be asked in many ways like mixed relations, coded relatives puzzles in blood relation puzzles. Then in direction based we can expect 3 questions. Then next we can go for miscellaneous topics like data sufficiency, order and ranking, alphabet based and alphanumeric, in which miscellaneous topics there will be one plus point. That is, here we need not solve any puzzles, just we can read and answer the question. So after solving all the puzzles, if we have enough time, then go for the miscellaneous topic. So these are the orders to follow for the reasoning section to score well. Then at last, what are the points to be remembered? The first thing we have to do is start with positive mind. So if the question is tough or easier, just start the exam with positive mind. Then always remember that we need accuracy more than the attempts. So work for it accordingly. Third point is, don't spend much time in one question. So if you can't solve a puzzle within 4 minutes, then just skip and go for next question. Then next point is, at least want to visit all the questions once. So then in last time we can attempt 1 marks. Then remember, difficult questions may be in first and easiest question will be in the last. These are the points to be remembered before going to the exam. So this is the strategy and this is the detail of reasoning section for AFO prelims reasoning. If you need further details, just follow the Killy Legends YouTube channel. Thank you.